Welcome to Purav Socio Foundation, a story about fatherhood.
A quaint suburban neighborhood nestled between bustling city life and serene countryside lived the Patel family. Rahul Patel, a young father in his early 30s, was a man of tradition. Raised in a household where his father's role was mainly as the provider, he believed that his primary duty was to work hard to support his family financially. His perspective on fatherhood shifted dramatically when his first child, a son named Ayan, was born. At first, Rahul's involvement was limited to the weekends and evenings, playing with Ayan and ensuring he was safe and fed. However, as Ayan grew older, Rahul began to ponder more deeply about the father's role beyond these traditional beliefs. It all started one evening when Rahul stumbled upon an article about child brain development. The piece highlighted the critical influence fathers have on their children's cognitive and emotional growth, especially during the early years. Intrigued, Rahul delved deeper into books and research papers on parenting and child psychology. He learned about the importance of interactive play, reading aloud, and providing a nurturing environment rich in love and encouragement. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Rahul began to actively participate in Aryan's daily activities. He created a bedtime routine filled with storytelling and quiet moments of bonding. He took an interest in Aryan's nutrition, researching healthy meal options and cooking nutritious dishes for the family. Gone were the days of merely being a spectator in his son's life. Rahul became an engaged and proactive father. As Rahul's involvement increased, something beautiful began to unfold within the Patel household. Aryan blossomed under his father's attention, becoming more expressive and curious about the world around him. He looked forward to their daily rituals, whether it was planting seeds in their backyard garden or experimenting with new recipes in the kitchen. Meanwhile, Meera, Rahul's wife and Aryan's mother, noticed the positive changes in both her husband and son. She appreciated Rahul's dedication and the meaningful impact it had on their family dynamics. With Rahul taking on more responsibilities in childcare, Meera found herself less overwhelmed and more supported in her own pursuits outside of motherhood. Their friends and neighbors also took notice. More fathers in the community began to emulate Rahul's example, realizing the profound influence they too could have on their children's development. The once held notion of fathers as mere breadwinners was gradually giving way to a new understanding of fatherhood, a role that encompasses nurturing, teaching, and emotionally supporting their children. One sunny afternoon, as Rahul and Ayan played in the park, Rahul reflected on his journey. He smiled as he watched his son's laughter echo through the air, knowing that he was shaping not just Aryan's childhood, but also his future. And as more fathers like him embraced their crucial role in their children's lives, the community flourished with happier, healthier families. In the heart of their home, Rahul and Meera shared a quiet moment later that evening, savoring the joy of parenthood together. They knew that their family was stronger because of Rahul's transformation, from a father shaped by tradition to a beacon of modern fatherhood, where love, involvement, and understanding created a foundation for their son's bright future.
Thank you for being part of Purav Socio Foundation.